Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am saying about meaning of the English. English is not a English is not only a talking. You should pronunciation with a correct spelling. Otherwise, it becomes a other sentences or other meaning of the word. So you should pronunciation with the correct spellings and correct words of the sentence. Now I will say some words daily uses of the person you daily uses of some words. For example, account. Account spelling is account. Account. Aeroplane, aeroplane. Aeroplane. Air, air. Air. Animal, animal. Animal. Apple, apple. Apple. Banana, banana. Banana. Bangle, bangle. Bangle. Basket, basket. Basket. Bird, bird. Bird. Birthday, birthday. Birthday. Blanket, blanket. Blanket. Body, body. Body. Book, book. Book. Bowl, bowl. Bowl. Box, box. Box. Boy, boy. Boy. Broom, broom. Broom. Brush, brush. Brush. Bucket, bucket. Bucket. Building, building. Building. Bulb, bulb. Business, business. Business. Button, button. Button. Camera, camera. Camera. Candle, candle. Candle. Car, car. Carpet, carpet. Carpet. Carrot, carrot. Carrot. Cut, cut. Charger, charger. Charger. Child, child. Child. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate. City, city. City. Classroom, classroom. Classroom. Clock, clock. Clock. Coin, coin. College, collage. College. Comb, comb. Company, company. Company. Computer, computer. Computer. Cooker, cooker. Country, country. Customer, customer. Customer. Cup, cup. Cycle, cycle. Cycle. Day, day. Decision, decision. Decision. Doctor, doctor. Doctor. Dog, dog. Door, door. Dog. Like this, some examples of daily uses we will use in daily words. It is some words of daily uses. The person uses same words and some other examples of words in this daily uses. So you should write the word spelling properly and pronunciation with a correct spelling. Otherwise it becomes a other sentence or meaning or other meaning. Thank you friends.